Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of the WiseCut safely from your account step by step. So let's get started. First, open the WiseCut app and make sure that you are on the main dashboard page. Here you will see a recent project and main menu. At the top right corner, you will see several options like Upgrade, Social Hub, My Videos, and your profile name with the scroll down arrow. Click on the profile name with the scroll down arrow. After tapping the profile name, a menu will appear showing several options related to your account. You can just scroll down to the bottom of this menu. At the bottom of the menu, you will see the logout option. Click on it. Once you log out, WiseCut will sign you out of your account and you will be redirected to the sign in page. Here you can just either log in back or switch to different account. Please make sure to always save your projects before logging out. Logging out is useful when you are using the shared computers. You can also log back anytime based on your preference level. And that's how you can successfully log out of the WiseCut application. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.